Welcome. In this presentation, you will be introduced to visitor management using Jolly's Lobby Track software. To begin, we will register a new visitor. Lobby Track can integrate with Active Directory to retrieve the visitor's host information. The host can then receive an email or SMS text message when their visitor arrives. To locate the host, type part of their name. Scan the visitor's driver's license to quickly obtain their information. The visitor's name, date of birth, license number and address have been obtained from the license scan. The host information has been populated from the host lookup. You decide which fields are used on this form and the layout. Fill in the remaining fields. Use the photo obtained from the visitor's license, or take a new photo. You can require that the visitor sign a non-disclosure agreement. Capture their signature with a signature pad. Use a fingerprint scanner to capture the visitor's fingerprint. Registration is complete. Click the Print buttons to print the visitor's badge and the non-disclosure agreement. You may also configure the software to automatically print at the end of registration. Many of the steps in the registration process are optional. It can be as simple as only entering the visitor's name. Next, we'll complete the registration process for a pre-registered visitor. Visitors may be pre-registered using the Lobby Track online registration system or by importing lists. Let's view today's expected visitors. Click a record hyperlink to select the visitor's record. Click the Run Registration button to complete registration. The form fields are automatically populated with the pre-registered visitor data and registration can be completed. The Find button can also be used to locate a returning visitor. Scan the visitor badge or enter visitor information to locate the record. You can configure which database fields should be used to locate a visitor record. Let's edit the record and change the arrival date. Save the changes. Now print the visitor badge and check the visitor in. Each visitor's detailed history is available. You will see a record of each check-in, check-out, record edit and badge print. You will know who performed each action, and at which location. As long as Lobby Track is running, a visitor may be checked in or out by simply swiping their badge with a barcode or magnetic stripe scanner. Alternatively, a visitor may check in or out by clicking on the Check In or Out button. Either scan a badge or enter a visitor's information to locate the record. The record is found and an optional confirmation screen is displayed. There are many possible check-in and out configurations. Here it is shown as one button and the visitor will be check-in or out based on their current status. Here, the options are shown independently. Lobby Track's access policies allow you to deny access when conditions are met, such as when a record is not active, when a record is expired, by the number of visits, when custom visitor record conditions are met, and by times and locations. Let's try a check-in with access policies defined. When the access policy is violated, a check-in failed message will be shown and sounded. To see who is in the building, open the evacuation report. In the event of an emergency, the evacuation report can be immediately printed or emailed. Additional reports, logs and charts are found in Reports Center. Logs and reports are listed on the left. Logs and reports may be printed, saved or emailed. Sort data by clicking on a column header. Custom reports can also be created. The Lobby Track Record Center is the best place for advanced users to manage visitor records. Use the navigation arrows to move between records. Switch to Spreadsheet View to view multiple records in a list format. In Spreadsheet View, batches of records can be printed, updated or deleted. Many additional tasks can be also performed in the Record Center. Visitor records can be import records from a spreadsheet or database. The layout of the record screen and data field formats can be defined. The badge design can be edited with an integrated version of Jolly's ID Flow software. Create basic paper badges, or secure double-sided, plastic ID cards with a barcode or magnetic stripe. It is easy to network Lobby Track between multiple locations, and Lobby Track's versatility and rich features that make it the perfect solutions for applications such as visitor management, membership management, event management, student attendance, construction site management, and employee and contractor time and attendance.